Hi everyone, welcome to our Crochet tutorial. Today we are making a beautiful baby pink hat. This project is perfect for beginners. You shall need yarn in baby pink and a crochet hook. Let's start by making a slip knot. Then chain 4 and join to form a ring. Now let's work on the brim of the hat. Single crochet around the ring for 10 rounds. Make sure to keep your tension even. Next, we shall increase stitches to start shaping the crown. Single crochet 2 stitches in each stitch round. Repeat this pattern for a few rounds. Now, let's switch to the baby pink yarn. Single crochet in each stitch round for the body of the hat. Continue until the hat reaches your desired length. Feel free to adjust the size for a perfect fit. Once you are happy with the length, we shall decrease stitches. Single crochet 2 stitches together around. Keep decreasing until you close the top of the hat. Fasten off and wave in any loose ends. Now let's add a cute little pom-pom on top. You can use the same pink yarn or mix it up with white. Attach the pom-pom securely to the center. And there you have it, a beautiful baby pink hat. Perfect for keeping your little one cozy and stylish. Feel free to customize with bows or buttons. Crocheting is a great way to make heartfelt gifts. It's a relaxing hobby to unwind with. Don't worry if it's not perfect on your first try. Practice makes progress in the world of crochet. Experiment with different yarns and colors. You can even add your own unique flair. Remember to take breaks and sketch your hands. Crocheting should be enjoyable, not stressful. If you make a mistake, don't sweat it. It's all part of the learning process. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.